Here's Dean. He's got one.
Nice little trout. Yeah.
Told you I was getting bites.
Oh yeah, nice little trout. Oh, that's a pleasant surprise. Really did not expect this guy. Whoa, where are you going, buddy? Come on back. Holy smokes, come on back.
Oh, wow.
Oh, feisty little fish. Feisty.
Nice.
Oh, I'm liking it.
Nice.
Well, I did not expect to catch this.
No.
No, but it is a very nice surprise.
Too bad it's not on.
Whoa, there he goes.
You know what? That makes me want to throw on a blues
Whoa,
lure.
hold on now, buddy. Hold on. Yeah, it's a good idea.
I think after this,
Whoa,
ladies and
look at that,
gentlemen.
buddy. Oh, come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. I'm trying to get you off the hook. Oh, just gonna make a star out of you. Come here. That's it. Hold on, buddy. It's okay. There we go. It's all. Whoa, hold on. Come on now. Hold on. That's it. That's hold on, buddy. There we go. Oh yeah, we just got it right in the corner of the mouth, fishy. Hold on. Oh, stay in the water. That's right. Let's get that hook out of you. Oh. Come on now. Okay. Okay.
Here, let's check him out. Wild little trout, look.
Is he wild? Yeah, he's wild by the looks of it.
Yeah, pointy tail.
Feisty fish.
Feisty.
Very feisty.
Good looking fish. So let him go.
There he goes.
See you on the next one. Click the like and subscribe. It don't cost you a dime.
Hi guys. Ladies and gentlemen, Ben's hooked up. I gotta get my rod out of here. And he's hooked up to, looks like a female chum. Amazing. Holy smokes.
Not what I was
Not what you were after.
going for.
On a blues lure, if you can imagine that. Oh yeah. Oh, beautiful, Ben. Nice.
Yeah.
Oh wow, look at her go. Oh wow.
Compared to all the other fish that I've been seeing, this one's pretty.
Oh wow. Beautiful, man. Holy smoke, she's gonna give you a little run. Oh yeah. Holy smokes. She's sure putting up a fight.
Yeah, I just don't want to break off the lure.
Yeah, no kidding, yeah.
Hold that for a second.
Let her go, Chesty, yeah. Sorry guys, just away from the action, I had to hold the rod. Yeah, Ben and I are throwing, I've got the wedding band and a worm, and Ben's throwing the blues lure and a worm. And this is what we just happened to hook into. And whoa, is she putting up a fight? Whoa.
Hello,
nice looking dog going by.
Come on now.
And here comes, oh, she still wants to go.
I've got 10-pound test on here, so I can't really horse
Can't horse this fish in, no.
This is for...
I think she's got to be about 6 pounds, maybe 5-6 pounds. And there she is. Oh, she's going to get away. And there she goes. Holy smokes, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, I wasn't expecting this. Would have had the net ready.
Yeah, we didn't even see any salmon in here earlier, and just literally within a few minutes there was like 6 of them we saw. But we really did not expect this because we were getting bites from the trout. I actually caught one just 15 minutes ago.
Check this
and
out.
Here we go. Ben's got the fish landed.
Right in the mouth.
Nice.
With a worm.
Nice.
Perfect. Gotta get the hook out. Barbless hook. So
there it's go. It's out. It was a blues lure that did the trick. Unbelievable. I didn't expect this.
no. First.
And there it is.
First
Wait,
chum
Ben.
of the
Wait, Ben.
season.
Can you hold it up? Yeah, like that. Thank you. And there you go. And off it goes.
No.
Where are you going, fish? She beached herself. There she goes. Now she's in the right direction.
Ow.
Nice to see. Right on, man. Awesome. We'll catch you guys on the next one.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. I have hooked up to a fish. Dean's not here to film for me right now, so I've got to improvise. Let's hope I didn't lose him. Nope, I still got him. No. There we go. I got him still. All right. No, 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 no. Don't go that way. Okay, I got him free of the snakes. Oh. I'll follow this fish. There you go. There's Dean.
Hi guys. I was just running the car, make sure there's no problem with the they're getting towed or something. Anyway, Ben has hooked up, and it's a big chum. I don't think this is what he was looking for.
No, not quite.
No. Whoa! Look at him go.
He jumped out of the water so many times and I missed it. I think I got a few jumps. Let's get him out of the current.
Holy smokes. That was a long run. Oh. Holy smokes. Big run in him.
Oh yeah, he's been doing that the whole time.
He's unfortunate. Oh. He's unfortunately foul hooked. But Ben will get him unhooked here and on his way. That's not what we were looking for. Again, oh, he still wants to go. Okay, hold on, fish. Oh, he broke you off. That's sad. It's too bad, man. You just, did you get the hook out? Doesn't, it looks like it popped out, yeah.
Yeah.
He seems to be okay, so you're good.
Yeah.
Okay, well, let's, yeah, this gear's trout gear, ladies and gentlemen. We're both hooked up here. He had a booze lure on, and,
I switched.
oh, you switched? Oh, he switched to the green worm, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, he was on the green worm trying for trout on light gear. Did not expect that one. He did catch a small chum yesterday, so not surprising they're in the water, but we were catching lots of bites for trout over around the corner here. And that's what I want to get back to. I caught one yesterday and lost two others. It was a fun evening. Anyway, we'll catch you on the next fish. Hi guys, Ben's hooked up. Another chum salmon. Not what we're looking for, but there's a whole bunch of them in the pool right now. I just finished getting a good hit from a trout, and of course I missed it. But yeah, here we go. Sitting right underneath this tree, it might be difficult for Ben. Ben's got too light a line on for this right now, so.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna gently force him out of the stream.
Oh, oh.
He's a big fish. He's not small. Holy crap. He's just like, okay, I'm gonna hang out here with everybody. Don't want to horse him too bad. Come on. Get out of the pool for me. Huh?
It's a long fight.
Yeah? This fish isn't giving up. He's just swimming in the current, trying to hold himself in the current. Crazy. You know, you'd think he'd give up on you. It's a big fish.
He's just holding Ben on the bottom, and that's pretty much it. Yeah, he's putting up. He's gonna get you in that tree, and then you're done.
He just wants to sit there.
Look at that rod, Ben. Holy smokes, guys.
Put those fishing rods in the test, that's for sure.
Absolutely.
Come on. This is one of the hardest fighting chum salmon I've ever had. This guy's just not giving up. Give up already.
Holy smokes. Crazy. Anyway, guys, the battery's about today. I gotta turn it off for a second.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. There's Dean. And I'm Ben. And we are on a foot mission. We're hiking through the woods trying to get to the river. And already we find human junk. Someone's thrown their old VCR DVD player. We'll keep you posted to see if we can find the river. I didn't hear it, but let's see if we can get to it. We're hoping to catch trout, maybe a coho jack, but our normal access point is a little blocked off, so we're going to try to find a new spot to fish. But sometimes that involves going through some nasty terrain. We're probably trying to get over there. We'll see you when we get there. So the mission is to get over this log without falling. Dean's already made it. Whoa, that was deep. Yeah. It's one thing I'm grateful for, that we don't have quicksand here in BC. But we got thick, deep mud puddles. Made it here. Let's see if we can make it over there. Catch you soon. Ow! Whip in the face. Pretty cool. Looks like something made a little dent in there. I'm gonna stay clear, but pretty cool nonetheless. Dean's made himself his way over here. We're trying to get to the river, you know, that we can hear. It used to be easier access. Now we gotta try to find new spots all the time. But it's always fun sometimes just walking through the forest. Hey, I can hear it. Alright, catch you soon. There's Dean. Where'd he go? Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. Dean's hooked up on a wedding band and a plastic worm. This fish just took it.
Nowhere and took it.
I'm gonna get the film on this. Oh wow! Holy silver!
Oh, what a fish.
Here we go. I think I'm putting on a blues lure, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. What a fish.
Like a ton of fish. I'm going to try to get him around that rock. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Around the rock. Come on. Come say hello.
Come on.
Come on. Come say hello. Oh, you're tough. Yeah. Oh, yeah. What a fight.
Oh, look at that fish.
He will not leave that side of the rock. Come on. Oh. He's got a little more in him.
That's a beauty.
Oh, what a fight.
Oh, here you go.
Get him around the rock. Come on, buddy. Around
I can probably land him right in here.
Can you?
Probably, if you bring him to me right. I'll just put my rod down for a second. He saw me and didn't like that. I'm having technical difficulties with my fishing rod. And I see a spoon down there. Hey? In the water? Oh.
Oh, yeah, what a fish.
Oh, wow. Yeah, here we go, Dean.
Okay, I'm trying to get over with you.
Just take the camera.
Look at this fish, guys. Oh, he took it and just went with it. Absolutely beautiful fish. Well, be careful with them, Ben. Be careful with them.
Yeah, he did not like that. All right. I'm trying to get him from the tail here. There we go.
Okay. Sorry, guys.
There we go.
Beautiful
Wow.
fish. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. Okay, that is freaking incredible. Look at that. What is it? Okay, that's a coho.
That's a coho.
At least I think that's a coho. Well, yeah, it is. It's a coho. Yeah.
All right.
Wow. What a fish. And there he goes. Oh, I can't wait for the next one. I can't wait for the next one. That was incredible. 10-pound test on a wedding band and a fake worm, and he just went nuts for it.
And
anyway, guys, I'll catch you on the next one. This is a really hard place to stand up. We'll talk to you in a second.
Dean's got another one here. Wow. He said he got it right on the surface. Another beautiful chrome.
Absolutely awesome to watch.
I don't know how he keeps doing this. I guess I got to switch to a wedding band and one of these plastic worms. This is insane. All right.
Oh, look at that fish. Oh.
What a beautiful fish.
Yeah, I'm going to try to land him here.
Yeah.
He's not quite ready for that.
Whoa. Whoa.
What a fight. Oh, bursts of energy were just crazy.
Beautiful silver fish still. All right, I'm gonna try to get over as close as I can. Falling in.
Yeah,
all right, ladies and gentlemen, tune in with you in a minute. Holy smokes.
This is the second beautiful coho for me today.
What a guy here, Dean. What a guy.
Came out again, right underneath
Too bad you don't got a net.
Yeah. It was a hard hike in without to have a net would be almost impossible
So
to get in here.
I gotta try to get over there.
Think you can get under that?
Oh yeah. It's gonna be sketchy, but oh, there he goes again. All right, ladies and gentlemen, let's see.
Good fun. Good fun. Not what I expected, but good fun.
No, we're here trying to catch trout, and Dean catches these things on a wedding band and a plastic worm. Look at that. Ah, shoot. Here we go, ladies and gentlemen.
Another beautiful coho, guys.
Fish.
Another beautiful fish.
He's a hatchery.
Yeah.
Look at that. Is that a post fence
Hooked
clip?
right in the mouth. He took my worm and just nailed it.
All right, we're gonna get you on the release. Here, I'm gonna try to
get that hook out.
get that hook out. Easy.
There we
Easy.
go. There you go.
Barbless hook.
And there
There he goes. Beautiful release.
Nice.
Catch you on the next one. Dun dun dun.
Yeah, Ben's just hooked up. I missed a bit of the fight, unfortunately. But yeah, it's going right underneath the concrete for him. I hope he can get it out without breaking his line off. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Oh, he's going out in the current with it. That's as close as I can get, guys, unfortunately. So we'll have to try to catch some of the fight from over here. Good fish, eh, Ben? Hopefully we can land it. That'll be 3 beautiful coho. Look at that silver bullet. I don't know if you can see that in the water there, ladies and gentlemen, but wow, what a beautiful fish. Wow, he's giving Ben a good fight. He's struggling with that. I think he's trying to land it now, but he's still in that current. Are you okay over there? What's going on? He wants to fight some more as soon as you get him close. Okay guys, the camera's gonna die and Ben has just brought in a beautiful coho. He popped him off right here at shore, guys. Unbelievable. That was the biggest one so far. Unbelievable.
Hey, you got some of the fight.
Yeah, we did. We got some of it.
It's not a fishing video without Ben losing a fish in the video.
No doubt. Alright guys, catch.
So, Dean's had all the luck over here today. I've hooked into one, almost lost it. But Dean caught 2.
Yeah.
Lost one.
Almost landed one and hooked into 2 or 3, I think.
Yeah. But we don't got much time. We'll probably be back. It's not that far away. We'll see you on the next one. Here's Dean with the fish.
First fish of the day.
First fish of the day.
First cast of the day.
First cast, yeah.
And he just swallowed it down. Look at that. He
Look
just
at
scooped
that.
it up and took it.
Wow, what a pretty fish.
Trying to rebel me. Oh, he has got me rebel.
There you're on. There we go.
Oh, he's got still spunk in him.
Oh yeah. Look at this fish. This is amazing. Dean's first cast. Hooks up to this beast.
Oh yeah. Come on, baby. Come on in.
I think I'm going to a wedding band or...
Bring one?
No.
No, jag busted.
Alright.
Let's just bring him in here and...
See you on the release.
Maybe the other side.
Ladies and gentlemen, so we're about to land this fish. Camera doesn't like to hold the charge, so... Alright, here we go. Beautiful fish. I'll catch you on the release. Here's Dean's fish.
Oh, look at this silver bullet.
Beautiful.
Beautiful. Beautiful fish. Absolutely
And he's
gorgeous.
clipped, so
Yeah.
yeah,
See that?
we're gonna let him go.
Oh, there he goes. Come on, there you go.
There you go. First cast of the day.
First cast of the day.
See you on the next one.
Absolutely awesome. Hi guys. We're sitting here and just taking a little break. Do a little bit of filming and just enjoy the scenery. Absolutely beautiful. The water's clear. We're seeing a few fish, but not as many as yesterday. But yeah, I caught one first cast, and ever since then it's been kind of slow. But Ben's over here. You can hardly see because he blends right in with that little hoodie of his on. I spotted a Sasquatch. Anyway, Ben's working on his line over there. And I've got mine sitting in the water, but not really fishing at the moment. I'm using a wetting band with a fake worm that we purchased at the dollar store. Exceptionally good lures. I'm really pleasantly surprised on how affordable and at the same time useful they are. I'm using my ugly stick with a predator reel, which the last 3 fish that I've caught have destroyed the reel. I'm going to have to replace the reel after this fishing trip. Yeah, my rod's I believe this one's a 6-foot ugly stick. Great for all kinds of fish, really. When we came here, it was more of an attempt at trout, but we do that every time. We'll come looking for trout and we'll end up catching something else. But having a little bit of fun and catching coho instead of what we were actually intending to catch. But doesn't matter, any fish is a good fish. Love catching fish at any point. Little ones, big ones, doesn't matter to me. Just enjoy doing this. Just great fun. Anyway, guys, I will talk to you on the next fish.
So no more fish for us today. I had one on at the beginning, but it's been pretty slow.
I got one coho and that was it.
So it's been a pretty slow day. We're probably going to end up coming back. Catch you soon on the next episode with On the Hook. Click the like and subscribe. It'll help a lot.